How to change name on TikTok before 7 days. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right of your screen, and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the edit option beside your name. You will then see the name tab, so tap on that, and here as you can see, your nickname can only be changed every 7 days. Reminder, so if you want to change your name before 7 days, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on date and time. Here, firstly, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for set automatically, and now tap on the date option and select the date 1 week ahead of today's date. Now, close settings and open TikTok again and go to your profile and then tap on the edit button again. And now if you tap on the name tab and then go ahead and change your name and then tap on the save button, then your name will be changed. So this is how you can change name on TikTok before 7 days. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.